Alright, this is going to be my explanation of Bombchu bowling. It's not too bad. It's a pretty easy game if you know what strats to do. So, when you have your prize, let's see what we got, bomb bag, not too bad. You just drop the first one in there and then pull the chew. Then I wait till it explodes and then I target the wall back up a little bit. After a Bombchu explodes, hold target and you will get this angle. This is the angle you want. Don't release target from this point on until you beat the game. Now, the second phase can have the hole in the middle left, the top middle, or the middle right. And the middle left and the middle right, what you want to do is stand right about here, like in the it's not too precise. It's around like the third stripe on the ground right there. And you just drop a Bombchu and it's gonna go up the side wall, and it works for the left and the right one. But if you get the top middle, you want to stand right up against this post, and you want Link's hat to be slightly to the right of the there's like a corner of the post, and Link's hat's slightly to the right of it. You want to be right up against that, slightly to the right. Not like that, though. And that would go right down in the top center, if I got that one. There's also a strat over here. I actually never learned this strat before, but I don't recommend it, because after the first wall explodes, if you do this strat, both of your strategies are going to be like right here. They're going to be right next to each other, so you just modify based on what you get. However, if you're doing the strat all the way over here and you get the top middle, you need to go all the way over to the right, and then all the way back. This one's just faster, and it's not too bad. It's like right there. And that's the one people usually have trouble with. Not the side ones, really, but just drop the side one. And then, for this last one, you could either stay right here, or you can just back up into the back left corner. Just hold down left on your joystick until you're all the way in the back corner, and drop a chew. And that's it. Not too much to the game. It's pretty simple.